Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for University Revaluation. We will cover the essential steps to successfully submit your application. First, we'll navigate the official website to locate the revaluation portal. Then, I'll guide you through the login process and how to select the specific papers for revaluation. Finally, we'll discuss the associated fees and what to expect regarding result announcements. Applying for revaluation is straightforward. Begin by visiting the official Mahatma Gandhi University website. Look for the Students Portal or Revaluation Portal link, usually found on the home page. Once there, you will either log in with your existing user ID and password or complete a quick registration. After logging in, carefully select the semester and the particular paper you wish to have revalued. Understanding the fees is crucial. The revaluation fee is generally 500 rupees for each subject you apply for. You can easily complete your payment online using net banking or UPI. If you also wish to obtain a photocopy of your answer script, there is an additional fee of 1,000 rupees per paper. Please note that once submitted, these revaluation fees are non-refundable. Timeliness is key for revaluation applications. Ensure you apply within 15 days from the date your original results were published. Typically, revaluation results are released online approximately 10 days after the application submission. It's important to remember that your initial marks are surrendered and the revalued marks become final. You can check your updated results on the official university portal using your registration number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.